Hey guys, how's it going? How to add music to Facebook Reels. So go ahead and open up your Facebook Reel. Now what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click the plus button at the top right next to the Facebook logo. And you're going to go ahead and click Reel. Okay? Give access to Facebook so they can add your or access to their to your videos and photos. So for example, I'm going to add this video, right? And as you can see right here, you're gonna hear an audio. If you want to add music, you're gonna see right here audio. Go ahead and click audio. And then you're gonna be able to add a trending music or music of your choice, basically, right? And basically hit the plus button. You won't be able to play it because of the copyright issues, or I don't want to get the copyright notification or yeah, on the email. And then hit done, and then hit next at the bottom right, and then you're gonna be able to describe your reel, add hashtags or tag people if there is one, and you can control the publicity of your reel if you want other people to see it, friends accept. You can do that on your own time. And if you want to share it to Instagram, you're gonna be able to hit share to Instagram and then hit share now after you're finished modifying or adding the settings that you want for your reel. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.